A new feature to the Rose version 8 application is the ability to save any template as a favorite. Saving a template as a favorite is useful if you use specific templates on a consistent basis and would like to be able to quickly locate those templates from a custom list you create. A good example of why you might want to build your own favorites list would be the composite page templates. There are a lot of different templates listed, and if you only used a select set of these templates on a regular basis, separating them out into their own category would make finding them easier overall. I will select my category of products. In this case, I will go to the Composite Prints tab and select Square 10 by 10 Composite Pages. Now I will select a template. I have chosen 10 by 10 Composite number 1 and set the background color option to be black. I am not adding any images to this page yet because I want a template without images specified saved in Favorites. First, click on the Favorites button to the lower left of the ordering window. This will open the Favorites tab. Click the plus arrow to the right of the tab to create a new group. Where it says Name your new group, you will enter the name of the product grouping you want to create and click Enter to make the name of the group change. In this case, I will create a group named 10 by 10 Composites. Click the Heart button with the green plus to the lower left of the ordering window. The button will expand and you will see a text box that asks you to name this favorite. You can name the product whatever you like, however I would suggest naming it the same as it is in the Rose software so you will be able to locate it quickly by a familiar name. Click Enter to save the favorite. Clicking the Now Grayed Out Favorites button will allow you to go back to the entire products list. To add another product to the group, locate the next template you'd like to add and repeat the process. If you select finishing options before adding the template to the group, the finishing options will always be saved along with the favorite. Be careful that you don't select an option that you don't always want added to that template. In this example, switching the background color option to black will save into that template when you add it to the favorites. Another cool feature about saving favorites is that you can save an entire album or book's pages, so they will always be available in the same configuration. So if you know you always use the same layout for an album, you can configure it one time and just select it from favorites and start placing images right away. And I'm going to need to switch to the albums catalog. And if I look under favorites, you'll see I have an albums tab already set up. I've got a cover for a 15-page album, and I also have the pages for the 15-page album. And when I bring that up, you can actually flip through it and verify and see which composite pages I've already put in place. So this is ready to start ordering immediately. And that's the tutorial on how to use the Favorites tab.